May 25th, card opening. I've been busy building chicken coops, quail coops, raisin farms, and that vacation, but I thought there was a release I want to open. I like it. I know you don't like it, but it's a fun thing I like to do. I found a deal for it, so I thought, why not? My purchasing in general is down quite a bit, but I thought we could still see what a blaster or Bowman. No way I'm going to pay for the hobby. And it looks like this year, hobby kind of stinks anyway, so let's see what we have to get a blaster here. See if we can get ourselves a Drew Jones is what I'm looking for, right? 6 packs. The Tovar, that'd be nice to grab a Tovar out of here. Gunnar Henderson. Brett Beatty. Okay, not too bad. Not the Brett Beatty. There's supposed to be a certain parallel out of here. Oh, there was. Meyer, Verlander, Trout, Chris Bryant. Oh, we got something back here. Looks like we got our auto. That we did. Emmanuel Bonilla. Well, he's from your Blue Jays. Signed as a free agent. International board number 4. Okay. First Bowman auto. We will take it. Blaze Jordan. Ramos. Robert Perez Jr. Oh, but look at this. Quality control. Some spots, those might wipe off up on top. Bottom right corner, a little bent. Not bad overall, though. We got an auto. That's about all you can do. What are the auto odds in here? No, they don't say that. You know, I have to go on the web page. Cats. Really, Encarnacion, pink, first Bowman. Look at the quality here. Got that right wiped away. That bottom right corner dented. What if that's the packaging? I think it might be. Sharp looking cards though. I mean, this blaster, we still got 3 packs, and we have a nice numbered first Bowman pink out of 199, and we have an auto. Although both got corner ding. It's not me opening it, is it? Let's look here. No, that's not me opening it. Those are just bent. It's like they're kind of bent over the this one's even got Von Grissom, Logan Hop, Outman. separate these a little more. Take the inserts out. Okay, this is very no, you still have the corners getting janky there, and I was very cautious with this one. There's another pair of Cam Kohler. Corners look better on this one. Centering. A little more right to left. Surface looks pretty good. Cam Collier, I don't know anything about him. First round, 18th overall. I mean, that's 2 first Bowman parallels. Okay. Dylan Jorge, another shortstop. That's what the Rockies need. Free agent 2022. They need another shortstop. We didn't get Drew Jones. Fairly good pack, I still feel, especially when you consider it being from retail. I feel I got tons of first Bowmans. I mean, here's the papers. Here's the chromes. We talked about the corner, damaged corner there. You can see a little bit of there. As far as rookies go, no rookie parallels, but a good stack of rookies. And you got the damaged corners there. Inserts. 2 of the numbered ones. Sights on September. Corners. Mixture of veterans and non-first Bowmans. Corners. And then the really good stuff. 1, Cam Collier. Looks really good. Pearl Encarnacion looks good except for the corner there. And then our auto looks good except for the corner. You have to let me know. I know you'll hit it for its quality control. But as far as what it gives you, I feel it was fairly fair. Just fix the quality control. That's all for today.